Our place DC works with women who are currently and formerly incarcerated. And when the women are released, they actually can come to our place and we can support them with clothing. We have a clothing boutique. We have full-time attorneys on staff. It's very important that we begin to acknowledge the differences and the struggles between men and women who are re-entering this community.
What we really try and do is to eliminate barriers. Many times clients would have to go from one legal service provider to work with them on their protective order, to another provider to work with them on their divorce or custody, and then another legal provider to work with them for their immigration case. By having one attorney serve one client through their protective order, their divorce, and their immigration case, we eliminate the trust factor that so often impacts someone's ability to go through that whole process.
Most of our clients are tenants facing eviction. Without our help, they would go forth without any legal assistance at all. They are often women, single mothers, families with children, and most of them are African American and Latina.
Legal counsel for the elderly serves seniors to help them deal with other issues like whether they can pay their rent and handle their finances appropriately. And those issues, if unchecked, would lead to eviction, but because the generosity of the Women's Bar Association Foundation, we were able to save more seniors from being evicted.
And the light bulb went off in my head and I said, wait a minute, we need a domestic violence voice at the appellate level. In a lot of cases that we thought we handled pretty well, not being successful at the trial court level. And I began to realize that even though we had very good laws, and we had helped create some very good laws that were protective of women and children, that sometimes the judges either didn't understand them or didn't really feel comfortable applying them properly, and that there needed to be a process and a resource for taking appeals.
Very excited and honored to have received this grant.
WBAF has been so fortunate to receive support and the generosity of the Women's Bar Association Foundation for many years.
Really a great opportunity for us to expand our services and really meet the needs of women as it relates to their legal needs.
Our work, first of all, is hard for non-lawyers to understand, and our work is very much about women and children. And so having the Women's Bar Association, which is women lawyers who understand both issues really well and care about them deeply, be a partner to us is just very meaningful. So thank you for that.